Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, 2008. Former Merrill CEO Stan O'Neill might be planning a comeback with a possible move to alternative investment firm Vision Capital Advisors. The Financial Times reports that O'Neill is considering a variety of options in addition to Vision. O'Neill left Merrill about 1 year ago with a $160 million package. New York-based hedge fund and private equity firm Vision had about $720 million at the beginning of July. And staying with hedge fund news, hedge fund managers are reluctantly preparing to disclose their short positions to U.S. regulators. Reuters reports that for shareholders who have blamed short sellers for driving down company stocks, it will be a chance to see who is targeting their firm. It is also an experiment by U.S. securities regulators, putting short sellers briefly on a similar footing to large investors who are required to regularly disclose their positions publicly. And in more hedge fund news, hedge funds will be forced to change their strategies in response to the recent bans on short selling in financials. Reuters reports that financials hedge fund managers, as well as the much wider long-short equity sector, are still assessing what the temporary UK and US bans will mean and whether to be predominantly long in their portfolios or else short areas outside their core expertise. And in other hedge fund news, JP Morgan Chase plans to double its private equity investment in India to reach $1 billion. The bank will augment planned expansions with 5 new branches in India pending approval from the central bank. The firm already has made local investments in L&T infrastructure development projects, Apollo Hospitals and Enterprises, and Cafe Coffee Day, according to Indian firm Venture Intelligence. This has been your Hedge Fund Headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Hedge Fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.